Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we are going to unbox a product by Xiaomi here. And let's open inside. So this is the Xiaomi power bank. I think this is a deep blue color. So 10k mAh size, which supports 18-watt fast charging. And this is the power bank version 3 here, as you can see. So as you can see, this is the 18-watt fast charging here. Has a micro USB cable, USB-C and a micro USB. And the price is $79 here. So as you can see, this is a general with this sticker. We bought this from the Xiaomi official store. So without further ado, let's open inside. So this is the packaging, nothing more inside here. This is the wire. So as you can see, this is still using the micro USB here, and this is using the USB-A size. This is only used for charging the power bank, and the length is about 30 cm. Black in color, which is very flat. Let's set this aside first, and we have the instruction books here. I'm not sure what is this though. Scratch for security code. I see. Okay. So this is the version 3 as I said, but we'll take a look later. And this is the manual book. And here's instructions again in all kinds of language. So this is actually very well protected here, as you can see. Thick cardboard all around it. Let's slide this out. This is a very nice color. I'm not sure it's black, but it looks like deep blue. And it's all aluminum, really nice. Except that I believe the top here is actually plastic. Same goes to the bottom here. Here's a Mi logo here. And this actually has two USB. So one is 5.1 volt, 2.4 amp here for this one, and then this one is and I believe this is 1.5 ampere, 12 volt instead. No, I'm sorry, it's actually 12 volt. Interesting. Well, as you can see, here is the USB-C here. I believe this one you can use it for charging also, charging phones I mean, but this one is actually for charging the power bank. No, I'm sorry, this one is also for charging the power bank, which is strange. They actually offer you to use USB-C cable to charge it, or micro USB, but the one they gave is actually micro USB, not the USB-C type. And here's the button itself. So as you can see, there's a lot of slots you can slot in, but so this power bank can charge two devices at the same time. And here's the button itself. Have a listen to the sound. It's good. So as you can see, we have 4 LEDs here. Right now it's new, so it's sitting at 50%. So before you use it, better charge it to full. And let's see what's on the bottom here. Yep, that's about it. This is manufactured 2019 on October last year. So yeah, I think this is very good, but as far as I know, this body is very delicate. If you scratch it with something, the mark is very obvious. So get a silicone case if you have it. But nevertheless, this is a that feels very nice on the hand. Yeah, I think this power bank is very good in terms of value. Thumbs up for this product. Alright, that's all for me today guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share my videos with your friends if you find this useful. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.